We heard a lot of talk about the states and governors. Just released was a letter, 10 governors, 5 Democrat, 5 Republican, opposed to Trumpcare 2, the so-called Graham-Cassidy bill, and more in favor of a bipartisan negotiation such as that Senator Alexander and Senator Murray are going forward with. Second, I just heard our Republican colleagues speak. There was a word missing: people, patience, care, all this stuff, Democrat, Republican, governors, Washington. How about how this affects people? Millions will lose coverage, no guarantee of pre-existing condition, and an end to Medicaid as we know it. Tens of millions of people could well lose coverage. People who desperately need essential services would lose it. Our Republican colleagues don't seem to care about how this affects the average American. That's why Trumpcare, the previous Trumpcare bills were so unpopular. That's why this bill is so unpopular. And that's why, despite all their efforts, they're struggling, because their own senators know that the public dislikes this bill. The latest version of Trumpcare may live under a new name, Graham-Cassidy, but no matter how many ways they try to dress it up, they try to hide it, it's even more dangerous and more reckless than the previous bill that was defeated. Simply put, Trumpcare is a sham. They're crafting it in the dark of night to say one hearing on one day without a CBO score and only 2 witnesses against the bill, that's a hearing, that's a full airing of the bill. Come on. They're ashamed of this bill. They're afraid to find out what it actually does. And so we get another bill in the dark of night. So the process is awful. Our Republican colleagues, we've heard justice being blind. Our Republican colleagues should be walking around with blindfolds because they don't want to see what's in the bill they're being forced to vote for.